Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm creating a Tex-Mex inspired salsa. My husband loves this salsa. It's inspired from the restaurant Chuy's in Austin, Texas. Comment down below and let me know if you've been there and what you think. For the ingredients, you'll need 5 tomatoes, 1 medium-sized onion, 4 limes, 1 lemon, 3 garlic cloves, half a bunch of parsley, 3 serrano peppers, and 1 jalapeno pepper. Go ahead and wash your ingredients in one big bowl. Now go ahead and chop up all your ingredients. You don't need to chop it too finely because this will be going into the food processor. Once you've chopped everything up, go ahead and put it back in the bowl that we washed it in. And now we will juice our limes and our lemon, my favorite part. You will also need salt of your choice. I'm using sea salt. Now the fun part, you will go ahead and add everything into the food processor. And now blend, blend, blend away. You can do it as thick as you want or as fine as you want. I personally like it fine, so I'm going to go ahead and chop it up real fine. Make sure you check on it and stir it every now and then and taste test if you need more lemon or lime or salt. This is the consistency I like, and now it's ready to serve and enjoy. My husband could not keep his hands off of it. He just kept digging in and digging in. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and comment down below, and I'll be happy to answer all of them. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please smash that like button. It really helps out with the channel. It helps boost engagement and really lets me know whether you guys enjoy this content or not. And guys, please do not forget to subscribe, tap the bell for future notifications, and as always, have a wonderful day. Bye!